Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy right here on this dip buying opportunity that we're seeing in the market. So in the past 24 hours, the market is down about 3.17% and people are already, turning on the alerts. They're already flashing the lights saying, oh, that's a flash crash. Yes, we did see a huge pullback today in the market going into Thursday, obviously, but there was reasons behind that exactly, so nothing major, nothing to worry about as of right now. So top gainers here in the past 24 hours is going to be IOTEX, which is up about 35% or so. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at 49.6 billion. That's the highest volume I've seen in a while here. Ethereum at 23.2 billion. So obviously we had the inflation report happen on Wednesday morning and different things, different catalysts that actually kind of raised Bitcoin on up in the beginning of the day. And then towards the end of the day, we started to see more of a sell-off as a lot more stock earnings came out and different things started to happen as, people start to get a little bit more panicky, I guess you could say. So Bitcoin here down 3.88%, trading at 64,500. Meanwhile, we were trading at all-time highs just earlier. Ethereum at 4,600, down about 3.09% here. We see Binance Coin down 4%, trading at 610. We see Solana is pretty much flat, actually. Solana not making a move at all. Cardano down 7%, Ripple 4.5%, Polkadot 9%. Dogecoin making a move on the downtrend this here as well, almost 6% down, back into the mid 20s as this, as per usual. Dogecoin seems to be, making a similar pattern all the time in the 20s. And then we have Shiba Inu under 5 now here, 0.00005, less than 5 now, down 9% or so. Most of these altcoins are down between 3 to 9% and some outliers obviously. So guys, that's exactly what happens. That's something we always talk about. When crypto booms, everything booms. When crypto goes down, everything goes down even more heavy. So that is an opportunity obviously for buying opportunity, but also a big opportunity for losses as well. So definitely something to be very wary about. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now on the dip. Alright, so the first altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be Polkadot, also known as DOT. This one right here on Wednesday was trading at $52, and then we saw it hit lows down here of $42, which is insane. That's about a 20% loss here from the morning until pretty much the afternoon here, and then we came back up in a little bit and consolidated. Here in the past week, we're down about 15%. Past month, we're up 34%, and then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 939%. As Polkadot continues to hit highs here. So we saw last year hit around $4, $4.50 or so, hit highs here in February, then we hit new highs here in April, and then highs again in May. So we see a triple top right here, the 3 highs here, and then obviously the market pulled back down all the way to lows of about $10 or so, and then from that $10 range over $50. So about a 400% gainer here in a matter of about, let's just say about 3 months. So that's insane. If you would have invested $1,000 into Polkadot here in July and you sold, now or close to the top, you'd be up about 300 to 400% profit, which is insane. Current market cap on this coin is going to be 45.2 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours is up 80% higher than usual at 3.3 billion. We see our typical hold time is going to be 21 days. Trading activity is going to be 72% buy activity and 28% sell activity on this coin. Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or connect the new chains. So how does all this work? Well, Polkadot uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism to secure the network, verify transactions, and create and distribute new DOT. There are several ways DOT holders can interact with a staking system, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote. By staking and participating in the network, you may be able to even receive more DOT as a reward. Now, something to keep in mind is the reason Polkadot can process all of this information is because the many parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay. As a result, the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second, compared to Bitcoin's 7 and Ethereum's 30. As the network grows and more parachains are added, Polkadot should get even faster with speeds that could hit 1 million transactions per second. And you can just imagine how good that is going to be when that actually happens one day. So it's going to be pretty insane to follow Polkadot and see how it performs in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years. So that's going to be our first altcoin right here. Second altcoin in this list is going to be Polygon, also known as MATIC. Here on Wednesday, it was trading at $1.89, pulled back down to lows of about $1.54 at one point. Now it's trading at $1.69 here on Thursday. In the past week, we're down 17%. Past month, up 35% from highs up here of $2.22. In the past year, this one is up over 10,000%, guys. Insane. So last November, this was trading at about a cent and a half, 1.5 pennies. Insane. Went up to highs here, obviously, in May when we saw the huge hype on Elon Musk, Bitcoin. Elon Musk pretty much tweeted that he was not going to be accepting Bitcoin anymore for their Teslas. And we had a huge, market rally here with these green coins. Went up to highs almost $3, pulled back down, came back up, and then pulled back down with the market to about 69 cents or so. And then from that low, we went up about 200% here in the past few months from that low. So this coin continued to gain some traction. 11.6 billion market cap currently, 1.6 billion in volume, 23% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 71 days, 69% buy and 31% sell activity on this one. Now, this one right here, Polygon is a Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now, users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. Now, the MATIC token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. How does all this work? Well, picture Polygon as being like an express train on a subway. It travels alongside the same route as the regular train, but it makes fewer stops. Thus, it moves much faster. To create a new MATIC and secure the network, Polygon uses a proof of a stake consensus mechanism, which means the one way you earn money on MATIC you hold is obviously staking. So staking is a huge thing on in the crypto space. So something to keep in mind though with Polygon is the Polygon network allows you to do many of the same things that the main Ethereum network allows, but with fees that are often a fraction of a cent, which is great. Obviously, we hate gas fees. You can try decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap or SushiSwap, yield generating lending and saving protocols like Aave, NFT markets like OpenSea, or even no loss prize games like Pool Together. Now, to try the Polygon network, you need to send some crypto to a compatible crypto wallet like Coinbase or Coin Wallet. You can then bridge some of your crypto. Stablecoins are obviously a popular choice for this to the Polygon network. Then you'll need to bridge some MATIC to make transactions, but even $1's worth is plenty because the fees are so low, and that's exactly what we like to see. Low fees is a great sign for us, guys. So that's gonna be our second altcoin, and then last but not least, the third altcoin is gonna be Cardano, also known as ADA. ADA here is down about 7.5%, hit highs of about $2.29. Then we hit lows of $1.94. Massive pullback right there. And then obviously on the 1 week chart, we're up a 1% still. Past month down 4%. Past year up over 1,868%. So this coin was trading at 10 cents last year in 2020. Hit highs here of 231. Insane move here. That was a great move of over 2,300% or so. Pulled back down to about $1 or so. Came back up to highs of over $3. So about a 200% potential here from July to September in a matter of about a month and a half. 200% gain. Then obviously we saw a huge pullback down. Now we're consolidating, waiting for that next leg up. But we are trading at previous highs. That's a previous highs, our new support. So around this $2 range is going to be our support level. Market cap is currently at 68.9 billion. Volume is down about 15% lower than usual at 6.2 billion. We have our typical hold time at 69 days, 62% buy activity, 38% sell activity. Now, Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. How does all this work? Well, Cardano's goal is to be the most environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. It uses a unique proof of stake consensus mechanism called Outer Bros, as opposed to the energy-intensive proof of work system currently used by Bitcoin. So the Cardano blockchain is also divided into two separate layers: the Cardano settlement layer (CSL) and Cardano computing layer (CCL). Now, the CSL contains the ledger of accounts and balances. The CCL layer is where all the computation for apps running on the blockchain are executed via the operations of smart contracts. Now, the idea of splitting the blockchain into two layers is to help Cardano network process as many as 1 million transactions per second. So Cardano is definitely a coin. As you guys can see, it's ranked number 5. It's right behind Binance Coin, and we're going to be looking forward to it, in the near future to see how it performs. I think this coin is going to be another huge coin, and it will be right behind, Bitcoin and Ethereum eventually as it continues to grow, higher and higher in the future as well. So Those are the three altcoins we're going to be looking at. Now we're going to take a look at the rest of the market. Like we said, Solana trading flat here. Doge down about 6% or so, pretty much same as Shiba Inu. Obviously, Doge is here at 34 billion market cap. In the past month, it was trading at 22 cents, hit highs of over 34 cents, pulled back down, and now we're back pretty much where we've been since about June or so. So we've been trading him around this level for 4 or 5 months, and that's why I said that, Doge is kind of done. This is a support level, which is nice to see, obviously, but in the long term, if we see a bearish market, Dogecoin will go under 20 cents and might even go even lower after that. Next up, we have Ethereum. Ethereum hit highs here on Thursday or Wednesday at around $4,867. Pulled back down here to lows of about 4,400, which is insane, about a $400 pullback. And now we're trading back up to about 4,600 in the 4,600 area. In the past week, we're literally flat. Past month, we're up 35%. Past year, almost 900%. Market cap, 542.6 billion, which is 16% of the crypto market space right now. Volume is up 18% higher than usual at 23.2 billion. Trading activity at 66% buy and 34% sell activity on Ethereum. So Ethereum still looking good. Bitcoin, though, we hit highs of 69,000 here on Wednesday morning. Hit lows of about 63,000 on Wednesday afternoon, and now we're trading at 64,500, so a slight pullback here. In the past week, we're up 2%, past month up almost 18%, and then on the 1-year chart, 317%. Now, market cap on Bitcoin is going to be at 1.2 trillion, which is 35% of the crypto market space. Volume is up 22% higher than usual at almost 50 billion. 60% buy activity and 40% sell activity on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and Ethereum still holding strong up here at the highs, obviously, but we did see a slight pullback there, slight little flash crash type situation that we saw at the market close and the stock market, obviously around 4 p.m. on Wednesday. But here going into Thursday, we're going to be seeing what happens, obviously, the next couple of days and over the weekend especially, guys. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen in the next few days? Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.